Shall we? So this is me and my friend, the red kite. I'm hoping he's going to be okay. I'm going to take him to the out of hours emergency vets. I don't know how to tell if they're young or old or anything like that. But he's holding his head up. It's been really hot as well. I don't know if he's just dehydrated. There's an emergency vet's about 20 minutes away or so. I'd rather try than just leave him there. So we've got him in the car.